Steve Scott here with Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us this evening. Tonight I want to get out here with the excavator and get this dirt pile spread out, get all the junk, top stuff that's got debris in it, into that burn pit pile that I started covering up. Get all that moved over there, get this pile picked up over here, spread out, kind of get this leveled out. I like to put a bow on all this area out here so we can kind of wrap it up and get some seed in here. So I got a little bit of a hole here to push some more of this debris in. We'll get it covered up good. I got most of that pile spread out. I got a little bit here, and then that one pile, that good topsoil, that'll be the last thing we'll do. We'll get it spread out and clean this area up. I want to get this done tonight so we can work on something else tomorrow. I really want to get that tent site done, so hopefully we can get that worked on this weekend too. Get that set up. So give me a second. Got the excavator warming up and we'll get rolling here. Hang tight. start with in there. I come in and rake it, get some grass seed in here. I think we're in pretty good shape, and that I've got this hole pretty much filled. I got a little bit more I can take off of there and level that out. I think I'll just spread this out a little bit more, and then what we'll do is we'll pull up to the edge of the bank of the creek there, and then we'll back drag it and level this out. I think that'll probably be the easiest thing to do. I'll come in here against this border edge, back drag this, and then I think we can get our pile out, level it out. But I think I got pretty much the majority of the bigger crap out of here buried. We should be in good shape there. So let's just clean up the edges and maybe take a little bit more up in here, and then we should be good to go. Good to go. We'll back drag this and get rolling. All right, let me get this cleaned up and I'll come back with it. It's looking really good though. Did a really good job. I think I can come in here with that rake and knock this loose stuff down, fill in the holes. We'll get that topsoil spread out, and I think this will look really good. Okay, I think I've done as much as I can do with the excavator. This is looking really good. It's probably looking too good for what I'm doing. I left that pile. I think I'm going to do that with the tractor and the loader because I think I can spread it out a little bit more even and then back drag with the loader as opposed to the excavator. So this turned out really good, I think. We got pretty good. We got it in pretty good shape. I'll come and I'm gonna let it dry tonight. Fluff up a little bit. We'll get the loader down here tomorrow. Get that pile spread out and use a loader to spread out that topsoil, and I'll come back with a rake. But what I did is I came right up to the creek side and then back drug that blade back. So that did a really good job leveling out. So we'll top dress it with this topsoil here and we'll call it done. We'll get this, eventually get this creek cleaned up, and then eventually we'll get on the other side, pick up over there. That's where that other burn pile was. I got a big stump over there. I'll have to bury a bunch of debris over there. So, but we want to get some other stuff done before I get on that. That'll be probably sometime this fall, this winter or something. But this turned out really good. I think this is going to be a wrap for this evening. I don't know if I'll pick back up this video or we'll make a separate video. I don't know how long it's getting. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Looking good. Thanks for coming and back and watching Rolling Country Outdoors. This is making some progress. This is the area where we're going to be setting up the tent area. We're actually going to be probably setting the tent area up on the other side of the that log pile over there. But it's all kind of down this area by the creek. So we'll get this area cleaned up, get some grass planted, and it'll be a nice relaxing place to come down and spend some time. So I think that's where we're going to end tonight's video. Y'all have a good evening, take care, and we'll catch you on the next video.